There's only a handful of miles on this 1973 Camaro since it had a like a Pro Touring type restoration. It was a clean, rust-free Las Vegas car to start with. Now it's got 383 stroker, upgraded suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, turbo 350 automatic. Go to volocars.com and you'll find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a nice looking car. It's got the metal cowl hood. All fits square and flush. Looks real nice. This is all straight, clean metal. All looks good. Lines up real nice. Cortez silver paint. It presents itself really well. I'm going to point out some flaws. It does have some minor flaws. Here's some chips on the front edge of the door touched up. We got sport mirrors. The roof looks real good. These are big, long doors on these Camaros. That opens and closes beautifully. Looks like it's all smooth and clean down to the bottom. This is all nice and clean. It has the three-piece tall spoiler. It's all clean and straight. Fits real nice. All looks good. Here's some chips inside the jamb in the paint right there. Here's a tiny, like a hairline little crack on the spoiler part of it. This is all clean down to the bottom. All nice, clean. All nice and clean. Lines up straight. Very tiny hairline crack right here. This is a typical area from twisting and flexing. Roof looks real good. Opens and closes nicely. I said earlier, sport mirrors. Door is all clean, straight. Little chip on the front edge of this door at the front corner. Here's a couple little nicks touched up. Very, very tiny nick right there. This all looks real good. Couple little surface like little nicks, not deep. There's a little tiny one on the inside edge. So you will find some minor imperfections. The black stripes are painted on, smooth to the touch, but it is all one color silver. It's all laid out nice. It's not blotchy and cloudy. We were going around too fast, but there's a couple like little cracks in the paint here. I put a magnet. The magnet sticks. It's clean metal from the backside, so just some sort of imperfection there. Don't know why. But the car's straight, fits nice. Cortez silver is beautiful. Anyone walking up on this car is going to just be impressed with the car. It's gorgeous. But you owning it will know about these little flaws. Back bumper's re-chromed. Tail lights look new. Remember pulling that down to put gas in a car? Rear glass is crystal clear. That must be new, and it is tinted. The trim is good original. Light scratches. I mean, it looks good. One of those things could be on your list to eventually replace, but it's nice the way it is. Weather strips are replaced. Window seals are replaced. Windshield is crystal clear. Door handles look nice. Emblems look new. Up front, it's got the split bumpers, all the trim. That all looks real nice. The Camaro emblem looks nice. I should say new. Has some real nice US mag polished wheels, and they are 18s in front. Got some performance Nitto tires. I can tell you they're wider in back. This lip is wider. And they're probably 18s. Yes, they are 18s with extreme drag Nitto tires on the back for some real grip. So good looking car outside. Let's open it up, see what she has inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. Under the trunk lid's painted glossy. The jambs are painted. They're not perfect. They're a little dry, but they're very clean. Weather strip is replaced. Completely dry, clean metal trunk compartment. Been spatter painted. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as the videos are posted. We also have a Buy It Now button on our website. You can lock in a car before someone else beats you to it. So the jambs are clean. The bottom lip of the door is real nice. Door panels in excellent shape. The upper and lower portions all look good. Window cranks look new. Looks like the instrument panel is all replaced. Gauges are in real nice, well, they're new, they're custom. Let me light them up. Oh, they light up blue. That's pretty cool. This is all nice. The dash pad's new and it fits really well. All the bezels and plastic looks like it's been replaced. For the gauges, has a retro digital stereo, Quicksilver B&M ratchet shifter. Console's in real nice shape. The seats feel real good. I can tell you they're re-cushioned, reupholstered. Carpet looks new and it fits nice. It's not all wrinkled up. Everything back here looks really good too. The upholstery, all the plastic trim is real nice. There's a hole on each side. It's missing maybe where the shoulder belt would have mounted, so both sides have that hole. The rear shelf is real nice. Headliner's new, that's been replaced. The visors look like they've been replaced. It has a real nice leather wrapped 3-spoke SS wheel. So the interior is looking really, really good. Also has an auxiliary plug underneath the stereo. So I did roll up the side windows. It is all new glass. It's smoked glass, not the peel-on tint, but smoked glass. Got a 383 stroker motor, aluminum intake on top with a dual feed Holley carburetor with an electric choke, billet distributor with HEI electronic ignition. Has some nice polished valve covers. The wires are run neatly. Has some coated headers. Has this hammerite, like hammered texture paint on the inner fenders and on the subframe. Firewall's been made smooth. Some nice billet fender supports. The front of the motor, it's all billet pulleys with serpentine belt, billet alternator. It has stainless steel upper and lower radiator hoses. There's a chromed smooth water pump, billet bracket, chrome power steering. And it runs cool with this aluminum radiator, big electric fan, chrome cover on top. So there's no heat or air. Power steering lines in the box and the rag joint, that looks new. Then we've got a chrome-plated master cylinder and booster. Wiper motor looks new. So pretty nice looking, clean engine compartment. Underside of the hood's clean. It is a metal hood, like I said earlier. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive, see how she does.
Alright guys, 73 Camaro with the stroker motor. This thing sounds just as beautiful as she looks. It's a fresh restoration. So we're going to take her around the block, see how she drives. So far it feels pretty good. I know it has the QA1 suspension kit up front. So I'm assuming that it'll handle very nicely. Feels solid over the bumps. Steering feels nice and tight. Power brakes are very responsive. I don't feel them pulling left or right. we're just gonna kick back until the traffic passes and then go for it. Seats are very comfortable. All right, let's see what she does. There it is. Highway speeds, no problem, guys. She's cruising really good. Drives tracks really straight. Yeah, you'll feel good driving this one. It's got the look, the sound, the horsepower. You can manually shift it through the B&M shifter if you want to. I just threw it in drive though. Still got up and went. Revved all the way out. Yeah, this thing's sweet. And that exhaust, oof. Gotta love it. But yeah, there you have it, 6373 Camaro.
So underneath this car is very impressive. As I was saying earlier, it's from Las Vegas. It's absolutely bone dry, original clean metal floors. And everything else was pretty much replaced, rebuilt. Up front has a lowered suspension. Up front has big fat QA1 tubular control arms with the big gusset underneath it. Heavier duty sway bar, drop spindles. That's all brand new stuff. In back, the springs are new, has lowering blocks, squat the car down, shocks are new, bushings are new. Has a custom fuel tanks, either stainless or aluminum, custom tank, custom exhaust, like a Flowmaster style muffler, and it dumps right after the rear end, doesn't go all the way out the back, it's right past the rear end. Four-wheel disc brakes, they're drilled and slotted in front. Red calipers, all the brake lines, fuel lines, that's all been replaced. You look up at the motor, nice match set of finned aluminum oil pan and flywheel cover. And then it has a chrome similar finned oil pan on the Turbo 350 automatic. It's a 10-bolt rear end. I think it has a chrome cover. So underneath the car looks really good. Rust-free metal, and every mechanical part's been rebuilt or replaced. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer the rest of your questions, including how you get this delivered to your door and how you get it financed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, click the bell icon so you're notified as they're posted. Thanks for watching.